So hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I am here at Village Market for bowling, and I'm going to take you through the day, so stick around. So this is the aerial view of Village Market. Village Bowling was on 2nd floor, so trying to find the entrance side. Yes, we found it. This is the entrance side of the Village Bowl. Entrance videos are a lot of copyright, so bear with me with the voiceovers. Kama kawaida, the first thing was temperature check with those two amazing guys over there. At this point, we had to fill in some forms after paying. Village Bowl offers so many games, so after paying, after filling the form, you're given shoes because you're not supposed to go in with your own shoes. So you must carry socks. That's mandatory. We don't have socks. For bowling, we paid 500. 500 one game 10 rounds. Sindio? Yeah, 500 one game 10 rounds. Bowling Village Markets. And yeah, 10 rounds. Yes, change of shoes check. Okay, let's go play now. These are other games found in the Village Bowl, which you pay 200 bob, one round I think.
There goes Charita. Sunipe, Siri. No. That hakuna kudelete any step, any mile, any step you take. We are proud of you. Wow, well.
Complaining because I was losing, and I can't bear losing. No, not me. Here we don't lose, scores are still high though. Guys, you're the bowling winner. Okay, how does it feel?
Najifeel kama trainer. Do you need some training? Imagine
Na mimi niko
Okay,
78.
usiseme point watu wanaenda, niliona watu wanaenda more kuliko hizo.
Uongo.
But anyway,
Na vile najichocha na yangu. How does it feel to be a winner?
so nice. Actually, you
Manze?
need some training.
Yeah, of course I need some.
Okay,
But
so-
when you 7 for me, we come here next time.
Sinilipie then.
First when I'm trained.
Oh.
So we got our shoes back. It was time to exit. Bowling is highly recommended. I highly recommend bowling. It's so fun. Yeah. At this point we were so hungry. We had to find something to eat. Ama tungeanguka chini. So we were looking for a nice restaurant and we decided to go to Rokomama's. Get down. Rokomama's is on the ground floor and it's a very, very nice restaurant. So that's why we chose to go. We were salivating. Look at that. Look at that. My shake was a surprise me freak shake and it really got me to surprise. So this was a strawberry shake, cheese fries and burger. See, look at that one. And our ribs, I didn't tell you about that. The ribs was so nice. I mean, you should visit Rokomama when you're there. They have the best food. Tantalizing. These are my amazing sweethearts, my very, very BFS, good friends, and I love them so much. Thanks for coming, loves. Must admit, this freak shake surprised me. Even the chocolate freaks was so nice. So Rokomama is the best. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.